Camping scramble is one of our absolute favorite campsite breakfasts. Not only is it incredibly easy to make, but it's also really filling before a full day of fun. To make this easy, prep all of your ingredients before your camping trip. To transport raw eggs, we crack them ahead of time and whip them up. Then we add a dash of milk because that helps make the scrambled eggs fluffy, and we season them so they're completely ready to cook. Then we use a funnel to pour all of the prepped eggs into a large jug. We used an empty orange juice bottle, and we're just sure to label it clearly. This jug stores well in a cooler, so you don't need to worry about broken eggs leaking anywhere. If you do want to use these eggs for anything else like French toast, leave them unseasoned until you're ready to use them. Before our trip, we cook, vacuum seal, and freeze a portion of breakfast sausage. We also dice and vacuum seal a portion of peppers and onions. By the time we're ready for breakfast on our camping trip, the meat has thawed and we dump it along with the veggies into a pan. Once the veggies have sautéed, we shake up our bottle of eggs and pour in the quantity that we'll need. The remainder we save for another meal. We cook the eggs thoroughly and finish it off with cheese. Think of these like omelets where you can add whatever ingredients you'd prefer, like steak, onions, or spinach. And you can toast up bread to really finish off the meal. It is super filling and a great way to start a day camping.